day 12, and the good news is I had really big jump on number of clicks on new contents actually. I created a new content about Airbnb automation, and this got is outperforming other old contents and the most popular content I got on my site. So this is the good news, and it's due to creating new content. I haven't done any technical work, only following the instructions of the analyzer and creating new content. But I found one big serious issue, which is since Google upgraded or introduced new changes, my number of impressions and clicks went to almost zero. So this is July 15 to 16 data that is showing up in Google Search Console. So I was good amount of my, as you see, I had even five, I was on 543 was the minimum number of clicks I got. But since the new changes, I went down to zero. So I want to check what is the issue and what changes they introduced, because that had high impact on impressions and clicks. Maybe this is a temporal thing, it's not going to take for a long time, or maybe they found something I'm not doing right on my site. So all the content I'm creating, they are original content. I don't use AI to craft 100% of the content. I use for uh, improving the content, but not just a content creation machine that doesn't have any human in the loop. So I want to check what are the changes they've made, they introduced, and I bring a report back to see if this was a temporal impact or I need to make some changes on my site to get back on track.